This is Todd. This is the back of the house.
Yeah.
We just let it fall on the roof, and we have to add another
so roof raiser
extension.
Minnesota, take note. What would be good here is a little thing that you could just go and kick the snow out.
Yeah, an
for
ejector
future,
device.
An ejector device.
That would be cool. It would add to the cost.
Wicked cool, and
because every extension would need one, right?
yeah, but
well, maybe not the first two.
and somehow it can't freeze. You have to be able to not freeze.
The whole thing. It would be nice if the poles had grips on them,
Or if they
because
were heated.
They're so cold. Heated. Yeah. Hey.
We could put some of those.
That's what I'm talking about. Look, these D batteries would fit right inside here.
That's right, and heat it up, and we're good to go.
Okay,
a lot of the
it's
issues
clear.
with this. Not many.
Okay, now we're gonna stick this in. This video must be a headache to watch.
We're gonna have to do
it's gonna come up higher.
editing. Oops.
I'm trying to shoot it. Push the button. That's another thing. The button's really hard to do. With gloves on, it's impossible. Without gloves, you risk the killer blood blister of your life. Click, click. There we go. Okay.